Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to remove echo from any video. So whether you're a beginner or an expert in Premiere Pro, make sure you watch this video till the end because I have a surprise package that will boost your audio quality and take it to the next level. So without further ado, all you need to do is go to your effects tab. So click on this double-edged arrow here to see your effects tab, or you can alternatively go to your effects workspace, whichever is fast for you. Just do it. So if you're here now, all you need to do is search for the effect called DeReverb. So this is the effect here now. Drag it and drop in your video, then go to effect controls. For the beginners, effect control is where you manipulate your footage. Whatever effect you add on any footage, this is where you manipulate it to get your desired results. So before we see how this effect functions, I want us to play through this video without the effect. So I'm going to play this.
Alright viewers, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to mount a camera on a tripod.
I'll play that again.
Alright viewers, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to mount a camera on a tripod. Whether you're using a mirrorless camera or...
So you can hear a lot of echo from the background. So what really happened is that the mic, you can see this mic here. I was using a DJI mic too. This mic was not close to my mouth, which is the sound source. Now I advise you, if you're in a scenario whereby you can get the mic closer to your mouth, that would be the best. It will reduce a lot of echo coming from the surrounding. Now we've listened to this video without the reverb effect.
Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to mount a camera on a...
Now let's play the video with the reverb effect. So I'll turn this on, go to edit. You can see by default it's in 40%. So I'm just going to take it to like 50% and play through.
Alright viewers, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to mount a camera.
Now you can see the echo has reduced. If I boost this to 100%, so it's almost as if the mic has been brought very close to my mouth. It has removed a lot of echo. But what I advise you is, if you watch this clearly, you'll be hearing some and all those sounds. Because when you boost this guy to 100%, it tends to reduce the quality of your audio. So I advise you, depending on your audio, you should play around this and know which level is best for you. But the lesser the better. Most of the times I like leaving mine at 50%. So I'm going to test this sound and know where to place it.
This is on the FX30 cinema line. So when you want to mount your camera on a tripod, first of all you need to stretch the tripod. I don't know the diameter you want.
So I'm very satisfied with where it is now. So this is basically it. If you want to remove echo from your video, the reverb effect is what you need to use. But sometimes, even after using the reverb, especially when you shot your video or recorded your audio in an environment that has a lot of echo, you can hear some echo in the background, and then the audio might not have the best quality. So here are the 3 best effects I use to boost my audio quality in Premiere Pro. The first one is single band compressor, the second one is hard limiter, and the third one is parametric equalizer. And if you want to learn how to do this, how to use these effects to boost your audio to the next level, just click this video on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have found this video helpful, just click that subscribe button. It will take you less than a second to subscribe. Help us reach 1K subscribers, please. Press the bell icon and leave a thumbs up for this video.